welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehek Khemka, but if you are old to my channel, hey, what's up, how you all people are doing? So first of all, आज मैं बहुत अलग लग रही हूँ क्योंकि I made this heatless curl मेरे hair पे and which is looking super good. Like I am so obsessed with this. But if you want to know how I did this, let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video on this, like how I did this. Cause ये मैंने कोई भी मशीन के साथ नहीं किया है. I did it naturally. So please let me know in the comment section. Let's come to the video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about Instagram tricks and hacks. I am going to share 10 Instagram tricks and hacks, which is so amazing. मतलब एक वीडियो देखने से अच्छा जो भी 10 tricks and hacks I am going to show you in this one video. So make sure you watch this video cause definitely this is going to be super fun and also informative. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, पहले तो वो कर दो cause that is too important. So please go and subscribe to my channel. And now without wasting more time, let's dive into the video. So let's start with the first hack. This hack is something you would definitely love it. And many of you have already asked me on Instagram like how you do this. So this is my Instagram profile. If you don't know, please go and follow me. अब तो Insta ID देख लिया, so please go and follow me. So as you can see my highlights, there is no title written on the highlights. And many of you ask me how I do this. So basically you need to go on Google Chrome and type www.emptycharacter.com. So in that this page is going to open, and if you scroll down you can see this option and you need to copy this on your clipboard, and then you need to go to your Instagram and create a new highlight or maybe the old one, and in the title section you just need to paste this and you can see this is how I do. एंड बेसिकली मैंने ये इसके लिए किया था क्योंकि मेरा टाइटल का डीपी ही वो टाइटल के नाम जैसा है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई केप्ट इट वेरी सिंपल एंड जस्ट केप्ट माई टाइटल एम्प्टी. सो या इवन यू कैन डू दिस लुक्स सुपर अमेजिंग एंड बहुत कम लोग को ये चीज़ पता है. सो या यू कैन इवन डू दिस. नाउ लेट्स जम्प टू द सेकेंड हैक. सो बेसिकली ये स्टोरी हैक है एंड यू मस्ट नो कि ये एक स्टोरी में 3-4 फोटो ऐड करने का ऑप्शन सिर्फ आईफोन में अवेलेबल था. पता है नहीं ये लोग सिर्फ आईफोन के बारे में क्यों सोचते और एंड्रॉयड के बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचते. बट एनीवेज, सो ये ऑप्शन सिर्फ आईफोन में अवेलेबल था, बट लकीली नाउ दिस इज़ अवेलेबल इन एंड्रॉयड. लाइक आपका ध्यान गया होगा या नहीं, but this is the option now available in Android. So you can just add one picture on your story and just use this option to add multiple photos. As many photos you want you can add and make a beautiful grid out of it. So I really love this feature. Usually Android वालों को Gbox करके एक application है, keyboard application, वो install करना पड़ता था to just add multiple photos in the story. But now finally Instagram gave us this option like Android वालों को. So now we can add multiple photos, how many photos we want, and personally just I love this option. So yeah. Now let's jump to the third hack. So this is a boomerang hack. बहुत लोग को नहीं पता है कि we can just edit a boomerang itself in the Instagram app. So you need to just shoot a boomerang. This is how I shoot my boomerang. Like I took this flower pot and I'm shooting it. So the first option is basic classic option. Everyone knows about it and mostly people are using that only. The second option we have is the slow-mo option. Basically अभी ये reel चला है, if you people know कि वो कपड़े outfits change करने का. Even I made that reel which is my favorite reel. This I'm talking about this reel. So ये बहुत trend में चल रहा है. So basically I created this reel with the help of boomerang only, with the help of this slow-mo option. So the third option is this duo option. This is how it looks. And the last option we have is this echo option. So these are the 4 options we have in the boomerang and we can edit itself in the app and change कर सकते हो. You can save it to your camera roll and this is how it works. I personally love this cause मेरे पास और कोई option है ही नहीं boomerang निकालने का. Instagram is the only option I use and इसमें भी already editing के options है which is like super amazing. So I love it. Now moving to the fourth hack, that is this filter hack. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमने filter में फ़ोटो नहीं निकाली होती. Like we have clicked in our normal camera and we want to add a Instagram filter to that picture. So basically what you can do is just upload this picture on your Instagram, like on a story, and you can see this option. You can have all the multiple filter option as जो भी तुमने save किया होगा, like जो भी filter you save it comes to the right hand side. So यहाँ पे भी वो सारे right hand side वाले filters आ जाएंगे. So basically you can apply filter to your normal picture as easily, and this is so easy. Personally I just love this idea कि बहुत बार मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि I just forgot to apply filter to my picture, and this is how I apply filter after clicking the picture. So yeah, this is the 4th hack. So now let's move to the 5th hack. So most of you already know this hack, but नहीं पता है तो सुन लो मेरी बात. So you need to click on these 3 lines and move to the setting option. Then in the setting option you should go to the account option, and if you scroll down you can see this post you have liked wala option. So in this option you can see all the posts you have liked. Basically ये बहुत simple सा hack था, but नहीं पता था, तो I hope now you know this hack and this is helpful for you. Like इसमें सारे options आ जाएंगे, सारे photos आ जाएंगे जो तुमने recently like किए हुए हैं. Now let's move to the 6th hack. This hack is something, if you love to make reels, this hack is just so useful for you. So first you need to go to the reel option. Just choose any audio whichever you want randomly, and you need to select the audio, and you can just start shooting your video, whatever random video you want to shoot. But if you are shooting a transition video, this option is just a heaven for you. So you need to shoot a video, and then you need to choose this align options, like where you stop in your previous video. So this is the image, so you can just start from this option only and just create your transition video. This is the best option for like transition people, and personally I love this option. Like this is so helpful. Usually शायद पता नहीं TikTok में मैं यूज़ करती नहीं थी, but ये option था उसमें कि नहीं, but अब reel में है. So I just love this option, align option. So if you are making a transition reel on Instagram directly, you should definitely use this option. Now let's move to the 7th hack. This is something new Instagram has launched. Basically तुमको पता होगा कि नहीं पता होगा, I don't know. Like मेरे हिसाब से तो लोगों को नहीं पता है अब तक. So you need to go to a chat box, any chat box, and I have noticed this कि ये है ना पब्लिक प्रोफाइल पे अभी तक अवेलेबल नहीं है ये ऑप्शन, एंड पर्सनल प्रोफाइल पे अवेलेबल है. लाइक मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही हो रहा है. प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऐसा आपके साथ भी है कि नहीं. सो यू नीड टू गो टू द चैट बॉक्स एंड टाइप एनीथिंग, एंड यू कैन सी दिस सर्च का ऑप्शन, एंड यू हैव सो मैनी ऑप्शंस इन दिस. लाइक यू हैव दिस हार्ट का ऑप्शन, फायर ऑप्शन, एंड दिस बॉक्स का ऑप्शन. So you can choose one by one whatever you want. I am choosing all, so you can see how it works. Personally, just I love this last wala option. This something kind of burst in the text. This wala option I just love it, and also this box wala option is my favorite one. So you can just make your chat more interesting. You have this GIF stickers and all of more stuff. So I kind of like this kind of option. Like this makes my chat more interesting, and personally I am just loving this option. So even you can try this. Now coming to the 8th hack. So this is a story hack to make your story look more interesting. So first you need to select any picture from your gallery to your story, and this is how you do. So you need to select a picture, and then you need this option, and you need to select the 3rd option from this, and you can select any color and just click on the picture so it becomes a transparent thing on the picture. And you can use a rubber tool and just erase some part of it, and just you can add a new post wala option. So by this you can just create something new to your Instagram story. Personally I am just enjoying this kind of option cause वो transparent कर देता है, and still my photo is still visible थोड़ा बहुत. Even you can try this option if you don't know. Mostly तो लोगों को ये option पता है. Like I have personally seen people using this option, but if you don't know, please go and use this option. This makes your Instagram story more appealing, and yeah. Now moving to the 9th hack, which is super amazing. Like पर्सनली ये तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, क्योंकि लाइक इसमें सारे फ़ोटोज़ मिल जाते हैं मेरे जो मैंने स्टोरीज़ पे अपलोड किए हैं. सो बेसिकली पता ही चल रहा होगा मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. सो यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन, लाइक 3 लाइन वाला बटन, एंड यू कैन गेट दिस आर्काइव फोटोज़ वाला ऑप्शन, एंड इन दिस यू कैन सी ऑल योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज. लाइक जब से तुमने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी डालना चालू की है शायद तब से दिखाता है, या मे बी कुछ टाइम पहले से जब से ये ऑप्शन आया है, सो वो तब से तुम्हारी स्टोरी सब बता देता है कि तुमने क्या क्या स्टोरी पोस्ट की है। सो विच इज़ लाइक अ मेमोरी होल्डर फॉर मी, लाइक सारे मेमोरीज उसमें आ जाती है। यू कैन जस्ट स्क्रॉल थ्रू योर कैलेंडर एंड सी वॉट एवर डेट का पिक्चर यू वॉन्ट टू सी, लाइक आई हैव सीन दिस डेट का पिक्चर, so I can see random pictures. Also you can find pictures according to your places, so this is the third option. You can find pictures according to your place, like कहाँ पे गए थे तो उस जगह पे कौन सी स्टोरी पोस्ट की थी, you can find your picture through that as well. So yeah, I like this option. This is something very amazing and मेरे पास तो इतनी stories और pictures होती है, so I'm like confused कब डाली है कब नहीं डाली. So through this I can just find my picture very easily. So I am just a fan of this option. So yeah. So now let's come to the end of the video. That is our 10th hack. So ये hack तो most of you को पता होगा क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा रील पे ट्रेंड हो रहा था. So this is the mockup hack. So you need to go to this option and browse for more filters. And in that you can type mockup, so you can see so many options. You can choose whatever suits to your pictures or whatever you like. You can select your picture and make it look more appealing according to the filter. Like तुमको खुद से background create करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इधर already background created है, you just need to add your picture. So we have so many options. You can choose whatever you like and whatever suits you. So yeah, that's the mockup hack. You just need to explore and see what suits you. So this is the great option you can choose for your story to make it look more amazing. So this was the 10 hack that I want to share with you, and I hope this is really informative and कुछ तो काम आया होगा आपके. So yeah, if you use any of this hack, please let me know in this YouTube video का comment section कि yeah this was useful and that. And yeah, if you like this video, you know you should hit the like button, comment down below and let me know your favorite hack या कौन सी चीज़ तुमको नहीं पता थी और पता चली और अच्छा लगा. And share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be seeing you next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.